which has been legislated by the state government of Tamil Nadu as the first state private university after a long 90 years through Shiv Nadar University Act 2018. Accordingly, from the academic year 2021-22, we have started the academic journey of this university with 3 schools, namely School of Engineering, School of Commerce and Management, and School of Science and Humanities. And 21-22, currently we are offering 6 undergraduate programs, 3 in engineering, 2 in commerce, 1 in economics, we call it as BS Economics with a focus on data science, 1 master's program in artificial intelligence and data science, and PhD programs in all the areas. In fact, we have made our program such that the students have a lot of flexibility in terms of curriculum, in terms of taking subjects from different disciplines. We have a strong industry interaction. We have built in the internship part as a part of curriculum, and I'm really happy to tell you that the founding batch of our commerce students, which is a 3 years program, have just graduated in this 24, and they had undergone internship in the industry, the 100% internship, and also they are placed in the industries. And I think that's definitely a part of a proud moment for the university. As we said, that we keep advancing, we keep adding programs to our fold. Accordingly, from the academic year 24-25, we have started with this Shiv Nadar School of Law, and we have introduced an integrated BA.LLB program, which is of 5 years duration. And the first batch of students are in, and we are here to celebrate this moment to inaugurate the very Shiv Nadar School of Law. I welcome you once again on this momentous occasion, and I think it's a very proud moment for all of us to have you over here. So we really are thankful to you to be with us today on this occasion, and I'm sure that we are going to have your continued support for the years to come, so that we can make this school, the School of Law, as a quality education center to fulfill the dream of Mr. Nadar. Thank you very much.
I must tell the students who are here that you have chosen the correct profession for more than one reason. A lawyer is a social engineer, a social doctor and social chartered accountant. You deal with the society when in comparison to any other profession. And for young students like you, coming years are exciting time. We are in a changing world, and this applies to the field of law. This is my observation. From a traditional and conservative legal field, we are moving to an area where it is controlled by real social issues in general and economy in particular. We have mounting cases that is because of the reason that the legal community is one of the most conservative community ever. We have never been in introspection. We missed the core principle that we exist for the society, and therefore we are here to serve the litigant. Concentration has been made on procedural law, ignoring the substantivity. Time has come for us to think deep. I am quite impressed by the vision with which the institution has been set up. When we have taken a tour of this beautiful building, places have been earmarked for not only discussion but for interaction between student and the teacher, which touches upon the subject of psychiatry, psychology, and the social issues. A student will have to understand the law from a sociological perspective. The changes begin. As a young student, you might think as to whether you have taken the right decision. I must assure you, you have indeed taken the right decision. Law henceforth will not only evolve but also change. For the reason, law is a combination of past, present and future, in which a student of law has a telling role to play. As it has been flagged off, I hope and trust that this college institute will concentrate on the nuance of law and what is sort of the developments which are likely to happen in the near future. Constitutional law which undergoes change from time to time. We will be seeing major thrust in the field of economy, and therefore law touching upon the commercial litigation would flourish, pushing the other litigation to the background. Laws surrounding technology would take pace, leaving the conventional ones far behind. When society changes, so also the nature of litigation. When law changes, litigation would also follow. In the criminal field, you would have white-collar offences, crimes touching upon women, cyber crimes, online frauds. And on the civil field, we will have new contracts emerging, like blockchain contracts, done through online, making the contracts secured, use of artificial intelligence more and more, and the problems arising there and there. Information technology, trademark acts. You will be having new thrust both in the private law and public law. The haze surrounding public law will move towards the private law, which means consumer dispute would increase. Environmental law will have a facet of private law. As a young student, you should be ready for the new challenges to come. I was just discussing with the Vice Chancellor and Dean. I told them that I'll be at their service whenever they require me to address the young students. For the assurance of young girl students who are here in plenty. As I could see, this profession is slowly moving towards a young lady lawyer. This applies to the field, to the personal law and also the commercial law. In the coming year, there will be spread of matrimonial disputes for which your services will be very much required. Procedural law would give way, removing the shackles for quicker justice. Lengthy trials would no longer be available. As we are witnessing the amendments starting to the Civil Code of Civil Procedure. Comprehensive and procedural wrangles would be removed. Therefore, there will be quicker justice. In a developing society, one would require more and more civil litigation, which I believe